Hello, for this week's assignment, we had to create a board presentation. My name is Monica Merville, and I am here with you today to talk about our new healthcare facility that is expected to open in May 2023. We will discuss the need to have a marketing plan and marketing materials to help us become successful. At Mercy West Hospital, we are committed to standing out from our competitors and doing everything to ensure that our patients are offered safety, quality care, and excellence. At our new healthcare facility, a marketing plan will be essential for us to have as it will help us generate leads and reach our patient target market. A marketing plan will help us envision our healthcare facility's goals, budget, strategies, values, and mission of our organization. By carefully planning, utilizing research, and staying up to date with the healthcare marketing industry, we'll be able to solve the needs of our patients and provide them with the benefits of our products and services. A successful marketing plan will improve our marketing success, help build a roadmap, and will allow us to have a great support system by our side. By having a marketing plan in place, we will be able to promise the value of our organization by utilizing our marketing materials, and in turn will have an increase in patients, a better return on investment, and create a brand that others will love. A marketing budget plan will facilitate the organization and keep track of money spent and received. The marketing budget will help keep us on track financially without overspending. The marketing budget helps us focus on our goals and the necessary services for our patients. How much will our healthcare facilities marketing plan approximately cost us? It can cost between $10,000 to $50,000. The cost of our marketing plan will typically vary and depend on our new healthcare facility, the complexity of our healthcare facility, length of our marketing plan strategy, and any marketing agencies that we hire. As a new healthcare facility, we will expect to spend $40,000 to $50,000 in marketing based on the revenue of $1 million in our first year. This means that our healthcare facility should be spending 4 to 5% on marketing to increase our potential patients. By using a healthcare website and social media page, our healthcare facility will be able to promote and communicate our organization's brand and various services to our patients. Using marketing collateral will be essential in making a lasting impact. Our healthcare facility's website will be updated frequently, allowing our patients to learn more about our products and services being offered and allow them to have their medical questions addressed. They will have access to many things such as their health portal and updated health information. Our website will have 24-hour use for patient information and communication. Our healthcare facility's social media page will allow us to attract future patients, which will allow us to share our values and our commitment to our patients. Our goal is to create a solid social media marketing page to showcase our services and make them stand out from our competition. Our approximate cost for a website setup can be anywhere from $4,000 to $8,000. Website monthly fees, which will entail improving and maintaining our healthcare website, will be between $700 to $5,000. Some examples of what is being covered in the monthly fees are product and service updates, social media posting, new content being posted, an assessment of competition, and HIPAA software, which can run us anywhere between $100 to $150 monthly. For our social media advertising, the approximate cost per lead is $116.75. Patient approximate click-through rate is 1.39%. The approximate cost per click is 99 cents, and the hospital approximate monthly spending on a social media advertising is $1,366. Approving a marketing plan is essential to our healthcare facility because it will help us provide the information necessary to reach our patients and generate leads. The marketing plan will be assessed and evaluated, and adjustments will be made to better our services and marketing collateral. Our social media page and website will connect us and create a relationship with the surrounding community and attract more patients. Once our marketing plan is improved and implemented, we should see additional revenue which can be used to extend or better our marketing plan. Thank you for your attention. If you need to contact us for any reason, you can find us at our social media page, which is Mercy West Hospital, or you may email us at mercywesthospital@mail.com.